Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find navigation settings on Waze. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Waze app. Click on the My Ways option at the bottom of the screen, then click on the settings. Then you can see at the driving preferences section, the first one is navigation. Click on that, and here you can see several settings like the avoid toll roads option. You can turn this on and off. The toll and hope passes, so you can add passes. No passes yet, add from the list below. So you can select from the list, like, I don't know, like select the vignette 80, and it says you and I mean you can see at the passes you own this one. And if you want to remove it, it says that Waze will no longer route you on roads that use vignette 80. So if you do not want to have this pass in the app, you have to click on the remove, and then you are set. After that, the avoid ferries option, the avoid freeways option, up waved roads. You can select the allow, don't allow, or avoid long ones. And after that, the avoid difficult intersections. So you can select always or never. So this is the navigation options on Waze. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.